Hello everyone, this is Somya Saurabh and I am going to discuss about your second stanza of your poem, A Psalm of Life. And I have already discussed about your first stanza of your poem in my previous class, and I have already said that I will discuss all of the stanza in only one videos. Okay, it will be easy to you understand my video and understand the study whatever I am saying to you. Okay guys, so that don't be late, I am going to discuss about your second stanza. Okay, uh, life is real, life is earnest, and the grave is not its goal. Okay, dust thou art, to dust returnest, was not spoken of the soul. So first of all, I have to discuss about the first quadrants, that life is real, life is earnest, and the grave is not its goal. So life is your real and the life is your earnest. And we know that life is mostly real because we feel our life, we enjoy our life. And sometimes in our life, because of some situations, because of some panic situations, we feel our life, what's the earth is my life. But according to the writer is saying that life is mostly worthful and valuable when it's real. But the people mostly think that the life is mostly worthful after real. Okay, but actually, according to the writer, the life is mostly worthful because of the real, not the real because of the worthful. Okay, so our life is mostly worthful because of the realistic. First the earth, second the realistic. Okay, so that the writer in here is saying that a positive attitude towards the life. Okay, a positive attitude towards the life. So life is mostly realistic when it is about a positiveness. Okay, life is real and serious, life is mostly serious and the real. Okay, life is real and life is mostly serious. So we the people don't have to take our life in a easiest manner. We don't have to think that life is mostly easy, but life is not easy, life is mostly difficult, but we have to make it easy in our way, in our proper way, in a particular way. Okay, so life is mostly serious, we don't have to think it and we don't have to take it in a lightly manner. Life is mostly serious and we have to be serious for our life. We have to take risk in our life, we have to be honest, we have to mostly a honest and a humble person in our life. We have to be honest and we have to be humble in our life, and we have to take risk in our life, because if we not take risk in our life, we never have to be get any kind of the success in our life. So we have the chance of the risk. If we will take the risk, that we can be success in our life. Okay, life is real, so we don't have to take the life in easy. Okay, so after that the writer is going to say that the aim of our life is not the grave. And you know the grave means the cemetery. Okay, so according to our culture and the tradition, we mostly know that grave means the smashan. Okay, where our body is totally burned and turned into a dust or turned into a ash. Okay, but according to the Christianity or the Christian, the grave where our body is going to meet with the earth and to be turned into dust. Okay, so according to the writer, the body and our goal is not to meet with the grave. So it means that we have to be worthful and make our life nobleful. Okay, we have to be make our life nobleful, so that may our body die but our soul never die. Our soul is always be in the heart of the people, and our soul will be sheltered. Our soul will be sheltered in the heart of the people. And in the next, he wants to indicate that our works remains in the world after our death. Okay, so our work can be existence, and can be our work existence after our death. Okay, so our work can be live. Our work can be live, and our work can be stay in the heart of the people after our death. We may die, but our work, our noble work, never be die. The people have the hope for a new journey with follow our work. Okay, so that we may die, our soul never die. Okay, but is not we are going to second quadrant, that dust thou art, dust to returnest. So according to the writer, our body is made by dust. Our body is made by dust, and it will become and converted into a dust when we die. When we die, our body converted into dust. So according to our tradition and culture, our body will be born, and it will be turned into us like that, and it will be fade away as like a dust. Okay, so that according to the Christianity, our body, when our body meet with the grave, and our body is totally mixed with the earth. Okay, so that our body is like a dust, and it starts with a dust. You know the dust, it starts with a dust, and it end with a dust. It begins with a dust, and it's end with a dust. Was not spoken of the soul. Okay, so that according to the writer, our body is not like a soul. Our body is not soul, but and our soul is not the body. Okay, so body is only to feel the luxurious life, but the soul is only to feel our life in a realistic manner. Okay, our body will feel the luxurious life, but our soul will feel the realistic life of a man, or a realistic life of the people. Okay, and the soul is always be noble when we do any noble work, when we do the work for the existence of our life, or we do the work for the animals, or we do the works for our society, so that when we will be helpful to all, that our body can be existence in your society, or existence in this earth. Okay, and the body is not the soul. Body is not soul, and soul is not body, and the soul will be existence only for your good work, not your luxurious life, or not for your luxurious life of work. Okay, so that according to the writer, the life will be real and worthful when you will do the good work and the noble work for your soul. And body is like just like a that, like a dust. It starts with a dust, and it ends with a dust. So we will be remembered and recalled and reminded by the people if we will do a good great work for the society. Okay, thank you to all, and I hope so you will understand my description. That thank you to all, and we'll meet with your next stanza, A Psalm of Life by the Longfellow. Okay, tada. Thank you to all.